Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen beautiful integration example, and today example is integration x raised to 4 plus 1 divided by x raised to 6 plus 1 and dx. And what is the exact solution? To watch simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, now let's do start. And what is the exact use the strategy for this integration? Okay, yes, let I here use the I notation integration for integration x raised to 4 plus 1 and divided by x raised to 6 plus 1 and dx. And we know that the related formula for this a raised to 6 plus suppose b raised to 6 we consider, and we can find the factor. Yes, okay. So we can find the factor. Therefore this is suppose a square plus b square, and I can write the factor a raised to 4 minus a square b square and plus b raised to 4 bracket complete. So I can find the factor for x raised to 6 plus 1 raised to 6. So I can write in bracket here x square, this is plus 1, and in bracket this term becomes x raised to 4 minus x square and plus 1. Okay, and this value substitute this integration. So integration I x raised to 4 plus 1 and divided by this term becomes x square plus 1 in bracket x raised to 4 minus x square plus 1 and dx. Now here we observe the x raised to 4 plus 1, x raised to 4 plus 1, and so x raised to 4 minus x square plus 1, this term I can adjust in the numerator part. Yes, therefore this integration we can write as x raised to 4 minus x square plus 1, and this is the extra minus x square. So we can plus here x square and divide by this term becomes x square plus 1, and in bracket x raised to 4 minus x square plus 1 bracket complete dx. And I can here separate this function. Yes, okay. Therefore we get here this is x raised to 4 minus x square plus 1, this get cancel, and we get only 1 upon x square plus 1 and dx, and this term becomes plus. Yes, okay, plus x square, and we can write as this is the only x square plus 1 and x raised to 4 minus x square plus 1 and dx. So this integration becomes as I is equal to integration 1 upon x square plus 1 square, I can write dx, and plus, and this integration we can write as simplification x square and divide by this is x square plus 1 and x raised to 4 minus x square plus 1, that's mean again I can write only as x raised to 6 plus 1. Yes, okay. Therefore this is the 1 and dx. So now I can find the integration for this. Yes, okay. Therefore I is equal to integration, this is the tan inverse x, and this is plus, suppose this is the I1 and this is suppose 1, and now we can find the I1 value. Yes, okay. Therefore I1 is equal to integration, this is x square divided by x raised to 6 plus 1 and dx, and this equation I can arrange as x square and divided by this is x cube bracket square plus 1 and dx. And now we observe here the derivative of x cube the present in the numerator, so I can here put the substitute. Yes, okay. So therefore substitute here x cube is equal to suppose t, and differentiate this function we get here 3 x square dx is equal to dt. Therefore we get here x square dx is equal to dt by 3. So this is the integration I1 becomes as I1 is equal to 1 by 3 is the constant term. Yes, okay, and this is the dt upon this is t square plus 1 square. So we get the integration, this is 1 by 3 tan inverse and t plus c is the constant of integration. Yes, okay. Therefore back put t is equal to here per term x cube. Okay, therefore we get the solution 1 by 3 tan inverse and x cube and plus c is the constant of integration. Okay, and now I can write the final solution for this integration. I is equal to this value we can put the equation in 1. Therefore I is equal to we get here tan inverse x, then this is the plus sign. Yes, okay, this is 1 by 3 and we get tan inverse this is x cube and plus c is constant of integration. Yes, okay, and this is the amazing integration solution. Yes, okay, if you like then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.